The same is done in the next lesson with MATLAB. MATLAB can call automatically OpenBox, and we indicate how to generate the commands, the data, and the initial files. In this transparency, we can see how to prepare the commands file with MATLAB. They are simply MATLAB commands to write line by line the commands file. And this is the same for the data file and the initials, how the data file and the initial files can be generated from MATLAB just using the MATLAB commands. To call OpenBox from MATLAB, we use the system command, which is in the 4th line. We can use the tick and talk to have an idea of the CPU use in the calculations. And finally, we need to read the simulation for the post-process. And then you have some example of MATLAB commands that permit to do that. The same can be done with the scripts. We can write the script automatically from MATLAB, and I recommend you to do that because you can cut and paste these commands for all the examples because they are very similar. And this is the end of this lesson dedicated to MATLAB. MATLAB allows you to call OpenBox software, recover the results, and post-process it to obtain other interesting results. It also allows you to plot anything using the MATLAB plotting commands, which are more powerful. If you want to improve your output in the form of tables or graphs, you should use MATLAB to call OpenBox because it is more efficient. We have included the full listing of the MATLAB code for practically all the examples in this course. This will be an important aid to the students who by making small changes can obtain the code for solving any other example of the same or similar complexity.